Hey everyone, Joey Salinas here from the Greater DAOR with another Greater DAOR quick tip. Today's quick tip is updating your subscription from DigitalInk 1.0 to DigitalInk 2.0. DigitalInk has been updated with a new service. The old service will be going away in June, so I want to show you how to update that subscription and as well as show you some new features that offers. So if we log into our zip forms, in the top right, we can go to the Me section. From here, we can go into our profile and settings. We get taken to the About Me tab. We're going to go down to the right past sign-in and security and offices, and we're going to go into our settings tab. From here, we control our e-signature options. Currently, we are all using ZipLogic DigitalInk 1.0. This is free with your membership, or perhaps you are using DocuSign. We're going to go ahead and choose ZipLogic 2.0. This is a free membership, so you do not have to worry about signature credits. We're going to validate that the time zone is correct. And then we're going to save these options. Now until June, when 1.0 does end, you can toggle back and forth from 2.0 to 1.0 just so that you can practice. Now I'm going to come back into transactions and just go to a transaction where I've started a packet so that I can show you that you can actually edit and view packets. So if I just go straight into sign, we're going to be prompted with our packets. So see, this was the packet that was already sent. It was created 2 days ago with one signer. If I click onto the packet, I'm actually given a brief overview and summary of the packet. So when it was created, we see that it is in the suspended state. And that's because I chose to edit the document. So I can right away choose edit, and now I have the option of editing documents. Coming back into the form, right, I have the option to cancel the packet or to resume the packet, as well as the status of the packet. I even have the option to view details in history, right? So we see this is the old ZipLogic 1.0 DigitalInk. I'm going to go ahead and go back. So that we can create a new document and we can see how that looks in the new field. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on New. I'm going to go ahead and add the same document. This is an external document, a PDF. I want to show you 2 ways how to actually use DigitalInk 2.0, as well as adding third-party documents. So I'm browsing from my computer. As you saw, I had the option to browse from my Google Drive, from my Microsoft account. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. This still looks the same. We have the option for packet name. We can see that this is signature packet 2 because I've already have a packet started. The service that I'm going to be using is 2.0. When you do update that and close your application and come back, that will be updated for you to change to use that. You won't have to choose that anymore. We're going to go ahead and click on Next. So this pretty much stayed the same. I'm just going to go ahead and click a contact. So I'm going to go ahead and add a contact. This is going to be my client. And I did that by just adding signers. We have the option to add a reviewer now. Right? So that's all I did was doing add signers, going into me. Same thing, I can create a signing order if I have multiple signers, as well as a CC, and manage that CC list from right here. Perhaps that's my broker. So I would just have my broker and the email that I want CC'd. cybersecurity authentication. We have that option. For $5 per packet, we can send a 5-digit code to the cell phone of our client. So this is the same document as we see. 2.0 is a little bit different. Instead of toggling and having all those different features up top, we now have them on the side. We now see who exactly is going to be signing. So if we have multiple signers, we can choose from a list. Wherever we wanted them to sign, we're just going to go ahead and click on drag and drop, and from here we see we're given plenty of new options such as sign here, assign here optional, initial here optional. This is a timestamp. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign here, and I'm going to drag that right there. From here, right, I could enlarge it if I need to. I can delete it by clicking on this little trash can, or come to the gear and I can flip vertical. Right, I have plenty of options, as well as adding a date stamp, or even adding a timestamp. Once that's all looking good to go, I can go ahead and click, and I have successfully completed the creation of this signing. So I go ahead and send those invitations. Now we see I have 2 packets signed. The old packet with DigitalInk 1.0, the new packet that uses AuthentiSign to power up digital signatures.